bestowed upon me.
Yo, Mr. White.
Well, Mr. White, we gotta cook, man.
Mr. White, we gotta build a meth lab underneath 2 foot, Mr. White.
You know who else likes to build meth labs under 2 foot?
Under 2.
My
It's too
mom.
highly populated. It makes sense.
Mr. White,